If you're looking to become a licensed electrician in Colorado or upgrade from Journeyman to Master, this video is going to walk you through exactly what you need to know: license types, experience requirements, exams, and how to prepare to pass on your first try. By the end of this video, you'll know which license to qualify for, what the state expects, and how to avoid the most common mistakes that delay electricians every year. Welcome to the One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for either the Colorado Journeyman or Master 2026 electrician exam, then stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all electrician exam prep materials toward the end of this short video. In Colorado, electrician licensing is handled at the state level by the Colorado Department of Regulatory Agencies, specifically through the State Electrical Board. That means once you're licensed, your credential is recognized statewide, though local jurisdictions may still require permits or registrations for jobs. Colorado licensed electricians at the following levels: Apprentice Electrician, Journeyman Electrician, Master Electrician, Residential Wireman, and Electrical Contractor. That's a business registration tied to a master. Colorado offers several electrician license levels, but today we're going to focus on the two most common: the Journeyman Electrician, which allows you to perform electrical work without direct supervision, but you cannot pull permits on your own, and the Master Electrician. The Master license allows you to pull permits, supervise other electricians, and is often required to operate or qualify an electrical contracting business. Colorado has adopted the 2023 National Electrical Code. Colorado has Journeyman Electrician reciprocal licensing agreements with the following states: Alaska, Arkansas, Idaho, Iowa, Minnesota, Montana, Nebraska, New Hampshire, New Mexico, North Dakota, Oklahoma, South Dakota, Utah, and Wyoming. Journeyman Electrician. To qualify, you generally need 8,000 hours, about 4 years of documented electrical experience. The experience must be under a licensed electrician or approved program. The experience must be hands-on electrical work, be performed under proper supervision, reflect NEC-compliant installations. The education substitution, the approved electrical education or apprenticeship training, may substitute for a portion of the required hours. Documentation is required, and the final approval is at the board's discretion. The Colorado Journeyman exam covers the National Electrical Code, electrical theory, wiring methods, grounding and bonding, overcurrent protection, motors and transformers, load calculations, electrical safety, and this exam aligns closely with the NEC-based content in the book. For the Master Electrician, it allows an individual to supervise electricians and apprentices, be legally responsible for code compliance, qualify an electrical contracting business, and pull permits where required. To qualify, you typically need 2,000 hours of experience as a licensed journeyman, or equivalent approved experience by the board. The Master exam emphasizes advanced NEC application, complex calculations, electrical system design concepts, supervision and responsibility, and code interpretation and intent. Colorado electrical contractors allow you to operate an electrical contracting business, advertise electrical services, pull permits under a company name, and register with the DORA, and you must designate a licensed master electrician as the responsible party. Important: experience must be verifiable, properly documented, and submitted with your application. Missing or unclear hours are one of the biggest causes of delays. The Colorado exam is an open book computer-based exam. The test focuses heavily on electrical theory, wiring and grounding, safety and OSHA standards, load calculations, and NEC basic calculations. Both journeyman and master electricians must pass the state exam. It is, as I said, computer-based, open book, timed, and based on the NEC. The journeyman and master electrician's licenses renew on a 3-year cycle. Continuing education is required, and the CE must include NEC updates. So let's walk through the Colorado application process. Step 1, confirm eligibility. Before applying, confirm you have the required number of experience hours, proper supervision documentation, any education or apprenticeship records you plan to use. Applying too early is one of the most common reasons for denial. Step 2, select the correct license application. Step 3, complete applicant information. Step 4, document electrical experience. This is the most important step. Applicants must provide employer names and contact information, dates of employment, type of electrical work performed, total hours worked, supervisor or master electrician information, and the experience must clearly meet 8,000 hours for a journeyman and 2,000 hours as a journeyman for master. Vague or incomplete work descriptions are a common reason applications are denied. Step 5, attach supporting documentation. Step 6, review disclosures and sign application. Step 7, submit application and fees. Step 8, application review and exam authorization. Step 9, schedule and take the exam. And Step 10 is the license issuance. Electricians who pass on the first attempt don't just study harder, they study smarter. Passing the Colorado electrician exam requires knowing where answers are located in the NEC, practicing under time conditions, and understanding common exam traps. At One Exam Prep, we prepare electricians using state-specific exam prep, practice exams matched to your NEC version, and Journeyman and Master level calculations. Nothing on exam day should feel unfamiliar. Becoming a licensed electrician takes dedication, but the rewards are worth it. With the right experience, preparation, and NEC knowledge, you can pass the exam and take your career to the next level. If you need help with exam prep or licensing guidance, reach out and let's get you on the path to success. At One Exam Prep, we have everything you need to prepare for the Journeyman and Master Electrician exams in all 50 states. Use code 2026CO at checkout to get 15% off any order with us for electrician material. Check out the link in the description for a direct link and discount code automatically applied to any of the thousands of electrician-related exam products and courses. If you're preparing for the Colorado Journeyman or Master Electrician exam, or you're an out-of-state electrician navigating Colorado's requirements, check the links below. We offer Colorado-specific exam prep, multiple NEC code versions, practice exams, and live classes. Subscribe for more state-by-state electrician licensing breakdowns, and we'll see you in the next video.